The next question is from Caitlin. Jeff mentions harmonics in video 2.4 more than once. The flow and harmonics have been expressed, and the more you go towards sea level, the harmonics start to take more and more part. Can you please elaborate and expand on what is meant by harmonics in this context? Well, if we're talking about a river, you very rarely have any waterfalls and rapids near the river mouth, if ever. They all occur up on the steep slopes where the water is crashing with lots and lots of energy. It's chaotic. Any system that's oversupplied with energy that it can't put to productive or harmonic form goes into chaos. So water, when it's crashing down over rocks and dropping over waterfalls, it's all chaos. It's just all white water and irregular form. As the energy comes out of the water, it starts to express harmonic form in curves and flow patterns, even disconnected links. It has more and more of a snaking, curving pattern. That's a harmonic pattern. Now, this occurs in many, many ways. It occurs in dance. When we dance with harmonic curve. It's not just irregular movement. And the difference between loud noise and irregular noise and noise that's disturbing, and music is harmony. Music has harmonics. It's the curve and the harmony. It's the same with poetry. You know, I'm just talking now. I'm not talking in poetic form. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere Mary went, the lamb would surely go. Well, that's rhyme because it kept rhyming that sentence. That's a little rhyme of a nursery rhyme. Rhyme. So there's many forms of harmonics. So when we look at the world, we look at reality, we see many forms of harmony, harmonics, harmonic form. Now this is quite different to chaos. This is where energy has gone into this pattern of flow. That's where we have most efficient use of energy capture. And that's why I'm emphasizing it. And as we go through the course, particularly pattern understanding, it becomes more and more of a sort of approach that we need to have to get to the most efficient system with the minimum amount of energy input for the maximum amount of energy output. So a sustainable system produces more energy than it consumes, enough in surplus to create, maintain, and replace the component parts of that system over their lifetimes. That's the definition of a sustainable system. You get to it by paying attention to the harmonic forms of the natural world and reality at large, everywhere in the known universe.